Most Flybridge cruisers in this length give you one outdoor deck. The Azimut FLY 68 gives you three and builds the whole superstructure from carbon fiber to make sure you feel all of them. Built by Azimut Yachts in Avigliana, Italy. Exterior design by Alberto Mancini, interior by Achille Salvani Architetti. GRP hull with carbon fiber superstructure. This is the Flybridge format taken seriously. Two Volvo Penta IPS 1350 drives, 1,000 horsepower each, 2,000 horsepower total. Max speed, 32 knots, cruise at 27 knots, range, 336 nautical miles on 977 gallons of fuel. The active trim system manages hull attitude automatically. 68 feet 10 inches overall, 17 feet 2 of beam, draft at 5 feet 3. Deck layout runs from a 4-deck sun pad aft through a main salon, a cockpit terrace, and up to a full Flybridge lounge. 3 distinct outdoor zones is the core design brief here, and each one is fully resolved. 4-deck sun pad with rail-to-rail privacy. Main deck cockpit with convertible seating. Flybridge with helm, lounge, and wet bar. The Carbon Tech superstructure cuts 30% of topside weight versus standard GRP, and the IPS pod drives position thrust aft of the hull, which eliminates shaft angles and recovers interior volume below. Below, 4 ensuite cabins for 8 guests, plus a crew cabin. Achille Salvani's interior leans residential. Curved forms, warm wood joinery, full height cabinetry. The salon connects directly to the cockpit aft through a full width opening. Bottom line, if you want Flybridge volume without the visual bulk, the Azimut FLY 68 is the benchmark in its class. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.